Stick War 3 sound effects, so let's watch it. So these parts are only 1, 2, 3 only, so I mean part 1 to part 3 only, so let's watch it. Part 1. Oops, I have no internet.
Yay!
Let's watch it, okay? Is that at Atreus? Okay. Maybe that's what.
I'll take care of this.
I played
Gold
Stick War
is
Legacy,
great.
but I have no Stick
For
War.
in a mortar. Stay behind
Stay
me.
behind me. Okay. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. The sound effects are from Stick War Legacy, and why the... Okay. Then why, guys, the sound effect looks like from Stick War Legacy, that they put it some Stick War 3 sound effect, like hurting Stick War 3 sound effect. So let's watch the part 2.
Man the fort.
Man the fort. I mean man the fort. Merrick dead. Did I just hear Puny Spiriton? Oh, that's cool. That's my favorite. That's my favorite. That's my favorite. Giant earthquake. But wait, guys. Every time when I play Stick War Legacy, every time when I control the giant, it has an earthquake ability, but when the AI controls it, they did not use the earthquake ability. By the way, my skin at Stick War Legacy, I choose the skin from Stick War Legacy. It's actually average, like, yeah. That's cool. So. No reaction of that. No reaction. Oh, this from Stick War Legacy. Oh, that's from Stick War Legacy. Stick War 3. Stick War 3. Stick War 3. Stick War 3. Stick War 3.
Attack.
Stick War Legacy. Stick War Legacy. Okay, it's done, so let's check part 2. Or I mean part 3. There's coconut up here, why? Strike, what? Flip. Bro, what is that? I cannot do this. Bro, I cannot do the sound. What? Giant 3 hit. Body fall. Then rise dirt. Okay. Body fall 2. Oh, I need fall 2. Giant hit. That's cool. That's my favorite. Sword breath rage. That's from Stick War 3 or Stick War 2. Sword swing, Stick War 3 or Stick War 2. Okay, that's done. So bye guys, like and subscribe to my channel.